Okay, students, I want to show you how you can insert a link for your recipes into your slideshow for your potluck project. And so I'll start off. Here are the key questions related to task 2. I come down to the next slide, and it has a place where I can add the link for my dish recipe, which I outlined in task 1. So what I do is I go to the site that I want to get the link from, which is here. I can copy the internet address for the link, and I can, hit copy, and I can come back over to my slide. I can right click, and I'll hit link, and I'll type what it is: salmon croquettes. I'll say recipe, and then I can paste the link right in here, and I could hit apply, and you can see that now that link will show up, and when I click on it, it will take me to this page. Okay. Now I do it for the dessert. For the desserts, I actually just created a document of my own because I knew the recipe without having to go to a website. So here's the recipe that I wrote up for my Galleta Maria. And what I'll do is, just like before, I'll copy the address entirely, copy, and go back to my presentation. And just like I did for the dish, I will come and right click, and I'll say link, and I'll name my dish, which is Maria Galleta, and I will insert the link and hit apply. And when I go to this, it'll bring me to my Google document that I created. So that's it. That's how you create a link inside of your potluck presentation to the different recipes that you have to do. I'll be doing more videos to show you different things, but that's the first video related to linking your recipes.